Hello guys, welcome to this video. It's great to see you guys here. So if you have a smartphone and if you have a tablet or you have a PC and if you have a webcam, well, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get paid $50 PayPal money for less than 9 minutes of work. So it's very easy and it's really simple, and I'll walk you through everything that you need to know right on this video. So watch this video till the end guys, and I'm gonna give you all the details right on this video. So stay tuned for that. But guys, before we can start, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because right now I am uploading videos on pretty much consistent basis that teaches exactly how to make money online, how you guys can work from home, and how you guys can become an entrepreneur. So guys, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and don't forget to push the notification bell, because you will be notified whenever I upload the videos, and that was pretty much every day. And guys, if you find out any value out of this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I try to answer them all. And guys, if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income right at working from home, so this is what I am doing, and it's totally worldwide. So click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you some more information about the system. Guys, the people who gone through the system are now generating their first sale online, so it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So guys, go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you some more information about the system. So guys, let's jump onto this video. Okay guys, so I show you the website and the apps from the Play Store, and that you can use on Android phone and your iOS devices. So you want to head over to website called Mindswarms. Okay, so mindswarm.com, and what this is going to be a video recording of you talking about a product, very easy. Okay, so if you have a smartphone, then you just talk into the camera and you can talk about the product or the survey. So what will happen is this, that you are going to apply for a study, and then inside of your dashboard it's going to be study that comes up. Okay, so basically it's going to be a survey. You are going to take your phone and you are going to answer all the questions that they ask you to answer. So you're gonna put into a video, and you are gonna upload that video to the website, and then you get paid for your opinion. So as you can see here, it's gonna pay you $50 PayPal money every time for the study. So if we look at how it works, so basically you are just going to create an account, and you can do it with your laptop, PC, and you are going to use the app. So here's the Play Store app guys. So you go to Mindstorm right here and you can pick up the app there for your smartphone, and then also with an app on App Store right here, you can download it from your Apple device. So once you inside on your dashboard, you're gonna see the opinion survey that are going to for you, and all you gotta do is just answer the question, but you gotta do it through your video. So you have to do it in front of a video, so you can't just do a text and submit that. So you have to actually talk about the answers, the question that they are asking. Okay, so you have to show that on a video and put that video up there. So once they get done with that, they are going to pay you $50 PayPal payments, and the payments are sent every 24 hours after completing the survey. Alright, so if you don't have a PayPal account, then just go create one. It's very easy. You can go to that paypal.com and sign up a free PayPal account. It's that easy. So PayPal is the way to get cash into your account. Now this is really easy. So guys, this is really easy. This, there are not a lot of experiences required with this. You're just going to have to able to talk into the camera and answer the question. So if you have problem with talking to the camera, this might not even work for you. Alright, so make sure that if you want to get paid $50 and put into your PayPal account, that you have no problem talking into camera. I mean, it's not really that big. You are just going to answer their question. So once you come up with the inside of your dashboard, so just go over to your account, and once you apply for a study, they'll put right into your dashboard. So answer the question right into the video camera, and then upload that video to the site. and then you get paid. Is that really easy much? But guys, just make sure to go over to the Play Store and pick up the app there for your smartphone and also with the iOS device. Now you can use tablets, you can use a smartphone, it really doesn't matter, and this, I believe this is going to be worldwide, so I'm not sure there isn't any limitation. Now there might be a language for this, that might be, you know, if you are in different part of the country and they might need some Spanish people or some French people or just English. So you guys just go over to mindstorm.com and set up an account and start earning $50 right into your PayPal account. So guys, that's it for the today's video, and I leave a link below in the description of this video, this website, so you can go from there and sign up. But guys, what if I tell you there is an easy way you can start? So if you want to make a better use of your time, if you want to make $100 a day online, and this is what I am doing, and it's totally worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are from, you can do it from anywhere. So click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you some more information about the system. Guys, the people who gone through this system are now generating their first sale online, so it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you some more information about that. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you like my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I'll try to answer them all. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Have a nice day.